If you've always been the one chasing girls, only to end up being ignored by them, don't worry, bro. You can change that situation after watching this video. The tables will turn, and she'll be the one chasing you, being more aggressive towards you, and even becoming highly aroused every time she sees you. Watch this video until the end and pay attention to the step-by-step guide so you can put it into practice right away. The method is very simple. It's all about psychology. First of all, you need to understand that every person, especially women, has something they love. When a woman loves something, she'll go all out to get it. It's in their nature. So when you're trying to get close to a girl, this is the information you need to figure out. You must first find out what she loves the most, whether it's related to items, places, food, or anything else. You can gather all this information during the getting to know each other phase. If necessary, ask her directly. Make sure you truly understand what she loves. Once you've figured this out, use it as a reward for her. And of course, you'll only give her the reward when she does something for you or fulfills your request. For example, if she agrees to meet up with you, give her something she really loves. Or if she accompanies you on an activity like a motorcycle tour, if that's your hobby, reward her by treating her to her favorite restaurant. The key is, before giving her anything, she needs to do something for you first. This will prevent you from becoming a love slave. Typically, guys who become love slaves are the ones who give girls whatever they want for free. Remember, bro, giving selflessly has its time and place. It's fine to give without expecting anything in return when it comes to your parents, siblings, or close friends. But when it comes to a girl you're just getting to know, you need to avoid this at all costs. Before giving anything to a girl, first consider what feedback you'll get. This will help you gauge whether your relationship is a two-way street or not. Once you've mastered this concept, you can move on to the most important psychological trick: intermittent reinforcement. The key here is that once she gets used to the rewards you give her, you slowly start withholding them. Don't give her the rewards anymore. Let her feel the absence of what she was used to getting from you. You can do this by suddenly disappearing or not asking her to meet up anymore. At this stage, she will start feeling anxious, because it's human nature to suffer when we lose something we once had, and will do anything to get it back. Slowly, she'll become more aggressive toward you. Her desire for you will intensify, and she won't hesitate to chase you or ask to meet up first. All of this is because she wants to regain the rewards you used to give her, something that's now missing from her life. Now, if you're wondering what kind of reward girls want the most, the answer isn't just material things. In fact, girls often prefer and crave non-material rewards. For example, being a good listener, teaching her something new, or when you're in a committed relationship, giving her intimate touches that she enjoys. These can serve as rewards and also act as boundaries in your romantic relationship to keep her from cheating and maintain her consistent attraction to you. Simply put, the rewards you give to a girl should be something that makes her addicted to you. And when she starts becoming addicted, you can manipulate her mind by occasionally withholding the rewards you usually give or stopping them temporarily. Someone who is in an addiction phase will feel a stronger urge when they can't get what they crave. To sum it up, when approaching a girl, first find out what she loves. Then use that as a reward. When she does something for you, reward her consistently to reinforce the behavior until she gets used to it or even addicted. Then, slowly stop giving her the reward. Withhold it for a while, until she feels an overwhelming urge that drives her body and mind to chase after what you once gave her. Alright bro, that's it for this video. Hope it helps.